Hello, in this video I will be explaining DES algorithm. DES stands for Data Encryption Standard. Data encryption standard is one of the popular symmetric encryption technique. It works based on Feisal cipher structure. So here, there will be 16 rounds of operation. DS considers 64-bit plain text at a time, and also the key size will be 64-bit. So the 64-bit plain text will be sent for the initial permutation. So initial permutation will be performed by using the structure like this. So the bits, all the 64 bits are rearranged using the initial permutation structure. After performing this initial permutation, the 64-bit will be divided into two halves. We call it as the left half and the right half. That will be fed to round 1. So now on the other hand, key will be selected. The key will be permitted, or a permutation of key will be performed. So for this it uses a table called as permitted choice 1. By using the permitted choice 1, that all the bits in the key will be shuffled. After shuffling, so we will get. So the input key will be taken. So this input key will be of 64 bits. So here the last column will be ignored and we'll be getting 56 bits. So this 56 bit key will be shuffled. So first permitted choice 1. So after permitted choice 1, so in this only 56 bit will be considered, and this 56 will be again splitted into two halves. So 28 bit each. Then each round will look like this. So 64-bit plain text will be considered as the left half and the right half. The 56 bits key will be considered as 28-bit half, and the another one is the 28-bit second half. Let me call it as C and D. So this key will be left shifted, then it will be sent for permuted choice 2. Again the permutation will occur. Now the 32-bit key generated, 32-bit data which is at the right part will be given to the F function. Inside the F function, first operation is expanding the 32-bit key, data into 48-bit data. There is a table called as expansion table. According to the expansion table, the data will be expanded. Then 48-bit data will be XORed with 48-bit key. So after permutation, we will be considering only 48-bit of key. So this perform XOR operation. Whatever the output we get 48-bit, that will be given to S box. There are totally 8 S boxes are used in the DES algorithm. Each S box takes 6-bit input and gives 4-bit output. So for example, so let us assume this is one of the S box. Say the 6-bit input is 011001, for example. So here 0 and 1 will be considered. So it is 00, first row is 00, then 01, 1011, and we have the combination 00000 to 1111 as the columns. So here, so the first 0 and the last one will be taken, so that will be the rows, and the middle 4 bit will be considered as the column number. So here if we compare this, 0 1 means the second row, and 1100. It starts from 0000 till 111. So 1100 is at this particular column. The corresponding element is 9. If you convert 9 into decimal, it is 1001. So this, for the 6-bit input, the output will be 1001. So this procedure is adopted here. There will be 48-bit input, feed it to 8 S boxes. Each S box takes 6-bit input and gives 4-bit output. 4 into 8, 32. So initially 32-bit data was there, that was converted into 48. Now we are converting 48 back into 32. Again we'll perform some permutation. So after that, whatever you get, that will be XORed with the left half of the data. So whatever the answer we get, that will be considered as the right half for the second round, and the right half of the previous round will be considered as left half for the next round. So the same key, so after permutation, whatever you have, the C part and the D part, that will be used as a key for the next iteration. So in this way, the same operation is repeated for 16 times. Whatever we get at the end, that will be considered as ciphertext. The same operation will be repeated, the same operation will be performed in the reverse direction for decryption. So this is how the data encryption standard works. Thank you.